Hello, my name is LaMar and I would like to explore the possibility of working with your organization, BAE, as a senior intelligence analyst located at the Pentagon. My primary goal is to continue my career and secure a position that will capitalize my skills and experience. My background includes 10 years intelligence experience, 10 years research and analyst experience, 9 years personnel security experience, 9 years physical security operation experience, and 10 years anti-terrorism force protection experience. I have also developed personnel management skills by supervising, training, scheduling, and evaluating up to seven personnel at once. Additionally, my qualifications include a top secret security clearance with SCI with CI polygraph. I have an associate's degree from Hawaii Pacific University and currently attending the University of Laverne for a bachelor's degree in public administration. I'm a dedicated professional and enjoy the stimulation of challenging assignments. I'm open to various situations where my skills and experience will prove valuable and appropriate. I have over 10 years working with the intelligence community in both strategic and operational that include assignments located and supporting Europe, Iraq, and Afghanistan. I directly supported the Cyber County Intelligence Internal Threat Mission while conducting in-depth analysis of intelligence data received through diverse audit tools and data sources. I compiled and correlated data sets using programs and various tools such as Analyst Notebook, Combined Information Data Network Exchange, WebTask, to determine levels of threats and vulnerabilities to network systems and provide threat vulnerability assessments. I reviewed and researched and collected and also evaluated raw information and analyzing intelligence information to include creating timelines in relation to link analysis. I assisted with the development of databases and other network repositories on adversary information warfare and hacker capabilities, intentions, and supporting infrastructures. I'm skilled in utilizing specialized knowledge and advanced analytical strategies to understand and assess threats overseas and homegrown terrorist activities. I use research and analytical findings to identify network associations and map them in a diagram for presentations. I'm also an excellent communicator, briefing and writing skills with the ability to effectively collaborate with internal and external organizations. I have had several jobs where I worked as an intelligence analyst in the intelligence field that correlates with the job at your organization. I first started in the military intelligence analyst field in January 2005 until October 2011 in the U.S. Army. During this course of more than a 6-year U.S. Army career, I generated extensive experience and professional level skills in several important areas in progressively responsible positions. As an assignment as a military intelligence analyst, I took the responsibility for operating and maintaining a variety of multi-million-dollar state-of-the-art electronic systems, communication equipment, and related computer systems, and associated peripherals while collecting, recording, evaluating, interpreting, and disseminating of intelligence materials. According to your job announcement, this job requires experience of deploying to Iraq or Afghanistan. I have deployed twice to Iraq and once to Afghanistan. From August 2016 to September 2007, I was deployed to Kirkuk, Iraq. During this tour, I conducted intelligence analysis on enemy threats, counter improvised explosion device, created a database to track high-value individuals, briefed outgoing transportation convoys about intelligence on their routes and their current trends being used depending on the area of operation. I created in-sum and grid songs providing intelligence information throughout Iraq. I also provided intelligence information to high-ranking officials to help them make critical decisions in the battlefield, which I also see as a requirement for a senior intelligence analyst position. My second deployment to Iraq was from October 2008 to October 2009 to Tikrit, Iraq, where I performed duties as a senior intelligence analyst. I worked with various systems including Analyst Notebook, Tiger, Joint Personnel Adjudication System, Blue Force Tracker, Distributed Common Ground Systems Army, assets like Archis and Falcon View. I'm aware that your company fully supports and requires these systems for everyday operations, and I acquired extensive knowledge in all of these systems throughout my military career. But I ETS out of the Army in 2011 and went on a third deployment from May 2012 to February 2013 to Afghanistan as a senior intelligence analyst for the company SEIC. Throughout this deployment, I worked with several employees of BAE to accomplish various missions. As a senior intelligence analyst, I conducted analysis of insurgents who directly were linked to the acquisition, production, transportation, and the placement of IEDs. I provided input to multiple government requirements and objectives and assisted with the analysis and production of various intelligence products, specifically focused on counter-IED mission sets, and supplies analytical support for senior military leaders. I understand that you need someone who has experience in policies and maintaining classified documents. After my tours from the Middle East, I worked in Kosovo as a personnel security specialist. I developed and implemented policies and procedures for security access program systems and maintained the personnel security program, including maintaining a collateral system security roster, ensuring the proper destruction of classified material, maintaining classified programs, issuing courier orders, producing and issuing security badges, and processing initial and periodic security clearances actions through OPM and DSS using EQUIP. I verify individual security clearance through JPass and maintain a hard copy and automated security access roster. I'm aware of the fact that you're looking for someone who worked on a mission at a national level. Following my work in Europe, I re-enlisted back into the Army and worked as a cyber intelligence analyst in Fort Gordon, Georgia, where I conducted intelligence preparation environment, response to requests for information, submitted intelligence collections and production requirements to national access in support of planning and operation on a national level. I look forward to working for your company and as a future employee, and I thank you for your time and opportunity. Thank you.